Ever had your vet say your dog is overweight, needs to lose some weight, but a few days in, you have no idea how many times you've actually fed them? In this video, I'm showing you Pawsistant, a home assistant integration that tracks food, medicine, grooming, and all your dog's daily activities. First things first, you need to install the integration. As you can see, the author provides two installation options, HACS, recommended, or manual. For detailed instructions, check the Pawsistant GitHub page. I'll link it in the description. You can follow along there while watching. Either way, you'll need to restart Home Assistant after installation. Once Home Assistant is back up, head to Settings, Devices and Services, Add Integration. Search for Pawsistant. Here's where you enter your dog's name. This is required, you can't skip it. Breed and birth date are optional, but I'd suggest adding them for better health tracking as your dog ages. Hit Submit, and Home Assistant creates all the sensors for your dog. Now, here's the thing. At first, all the sensors will show unknown. That's normal. They won't update until you start logging events. Now for the fun part, the dashboard card. This is where you'll actually interact with everything. Create a new dashboard, call it Pawsistant or whatever makes sense to you, then click Add Card. Search for Pawsistant in the By Card section and select your dog's name. You can pick up to 12 activities to display: food, walks, medicine, grooming, whatever matters most for your dog. Save it and the card appears on your dashboard. Here's how it works. Every time your dog eats, you tap the food button. Every walk, tap walk. The card logs the timestamp instantly, and just like that, all the sensors update in real time. Oh, and one neat feature, if you forget to log something, you can hold the button instead of tap. That lets you backdate the event. So if you realize at 8 p.m. that you forgot to log lunch, just hold the button and set it to noon. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is great, but I have to remember to tap every single time. And you're right, manual logging works, but it's not ideal. Here's where automation comes in. Think about it. You've got a door sensor on your pet door. Every time it opens, that's a potential walk. Or maybe you've got a camera with Frigate running object detection. It can recognize when your dog walks by and log the event automatically. Or if you've got a smart pet feeder, most of them can integrate with Home Assistant. Every time the feeder dispenses food, trigger a Pawsistant event. No manual logging required.